Hello, today's topic is fractions. We will see the type of fractions, how does it work. In type of fractions, we can see like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, and their reciprocals. So, we will start with fractions. What are fractions? Fractions are A divided by B, where A and B are whole numbers. And B is not equal to 0. So, what are the fractions? A divided by B, where A and B are whole numbers and B is not equal to 0, because you know whole numbers starts with 0. So, value of B can never be 0 in a fraction. In this fraction A divided by B, A is your numerator and B is denominator. A is numerator and B is denominator. Now, in types of fractions, we have like fractions. Like fraction means fractions having same denominator. Like fraction means fractions having same denominator. Same denominator means, let's see some examples. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. In all four examples, denominator is 7. So, the fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. Now, what are unlike fractions? Fractions having different denominator are called unlike fractions. So, we can see the example of unlike fractions also, like 1 by 8, 3 by 7, 5 by 6. Here denominators are different. So, when denominators are different, the fractions are called unlike fractions. Next fraction we can take as proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions and improper fractions. So, let's see what are the proper fractions and what are the improper fractions. First, take proper fractions. Proper fractions. When A divided by B, where B is greater than A and A is greater than 0, where B is greater than A and A is greater than 0, it means it is a proper fraction. Let's see an example. 1 by 8, 3 by 7 and 5 by 6. So here your denominator is greater than numerator, means denominator should be, or we can say denominator is B. So B should be greater than A. 8 is greater than 1, 7 is greater than 3, 6 is greater than 5. So your first condition is satisfied. Second condition is A should be greater than 0. So here 1 is greater than 0, 3 is also greater than 0 and 5 is also greater than 0. So when both the conditions are satisfied, B is greater than A and A is greater than 0, it means it is a proper fraction. Now what are improper fractions? In A divided by B, where A is equal to B or A is greater than B, either A is equal to B or A is greater than B, it means improper fraction. So the example can be 8 divided by 8, or you can say 8 divided by 3, or we can say 7 divided by 2. So your A, it means your numerator in all three cases is either equal to denominator or greater than denominator. 8 is equal to 8, 8 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 2. When numerator is greater than denominator or equal to denominator, in this case your fraction is improper fraction. So these are the example of improper fractions. Now what is mixed fraction? Mixed fractions. In mixed fractions you will see quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So if we take one example like 5 is to 9 by 7, 5 is to 9 by 7. So if you have to solve this mixed fraction, how will you solve this? 7 into 5 plus 9, 7 into 5 plus 9 divided by 7. It means 35 plus 9, 44 divided by 7. 44 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 9, 44, 44 divided by 7 is your answer. Now what are the reciprocals? The last portion is reciprocals. So if we have to find reciprocal of like we can say reciprocal of 3 by 7. So the reciprocal of 3 by 7 will be 7 by 3. Similarly, reciprocal of 5 by 6 will be 6 by 5. So these are reciprocals. When you change the position of numerator and denominator, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, it means this is reciprocal.